Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you how to do a really quick and easy 3D glitch effect in Photoshop, and it's super simple. It's not going to take a lot of time at all. You don't need to know how to do pretty much anything in Photoshop. Just follow these quick instructions and you're pretty much good to go. You can do this on as many photos as you like and be as creative as possible. So let's get right into Photoshop and let's see how to do this. Alright, first off, you want to import the image that you want to try this effect with into Photoshop. Once you have that image in here, I like to label the original photo original so nothing gets confusing. So first thing you need to do is you need to right click on the original layer and duplicate that layer. You want to label this layer the red layer and then press OK. And then you want to make the original layer invisible. So you're going to check the eyeball right there. So now the original layer is invisible. Click on the red layer, right click it, go to blending options. And then in the blending options tab under advanced blending, you want to go to where it says channels. You want to uncheck the green and the blue channel. So now you have a red layer. Now you want to do this again. So you want to right click on the red layer, duplicate that layer, and you're going to label this one cyan. Okay. And then once you have the cyan layer right there, you're going to make the red layer invisible once again. Okay, and then you're gonna right click on the cyan layer, go to blending options again, and you're gonna do the same exact thing. Blending options, advanced blending, go to the channels section, uncheck the red, but check the green and the blue, and that's gonna give you a cyan layer. Now what you wanna do is you wanna make the red layer visible again, and make sure that you're clicking on the cyan layer, and you go to you make sure the move tool is selected here at the top left. So you want to select your cyan layer and you want to use your arrow keys, make sure the move tool is selected, and you want to move this image 5 times to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see, you can see the 3D layer starting to form. You could stop there if you'd like, but we're just going to go take it a step further. We're going to click on the red layer and we're going to make sure the move tool is selected, and the same exact thing, but instead of going left with it, we're going to go right with it. So with the arrow keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that just furthered the glitch effect. You could obviously do whatever you'd like and whatever kind of image you want to create. That's just how I'm going to do this tutorial real quick. So now once this is all selected like that, if you notice that there's some cyan, like a cyan bar on the left, and then there's a red bar on the right. To get rid of that, all you need to do is just make the original layer visible again, and boom, you're all set. You have your 3D image right there. That's pretty much it. If this video helped you in any way, hit that subscribe button and please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. See you next time.